Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe some mortgage mistakes first time home buyers make and that they regret later. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. Guys, so buying your first home is very exciting, right? You become a homeowner. You were a renter for years and maybe it was your dream to own a home, and now that dream is coming true and you have applied for a mortgage thinking you will be approved. But are there any mistakes that you have made that you're going to regret later? That is very important to know and understand. So first, the very first mistake is focusing only on monthly payment. Don't do that. You must calculate property tax, insurance, maintenance, utilities and other costs included too, and have some funds for some repairs that you cannot even imagine. In fact, major repairs, have something for that. Okay. Now checking mortgage type is very careful, is very important. If you're going for fixed versus variable, depending on market conditions, which one you should take. And I would always recommend fixed, because I am a guy who doesn't want risk. But even if you're a good risk taker and you have enough bandwidth and you are going for variable, even under variable there are fixed payment and variable payment. So make sure you don't get trapped in a situation where you go for negative amortization or interest only payment. That's not going to help you. You have to pay the principal to come out of it. Okay. Never ignore stress test qualification rules. Okay. Another mistake many people do in order to get better deals is that they use all the savings towards the down payment. No. You should have something for emergency funds too. As I described earlier, that there could be some unexpected high maintenance cost that you have no option but to go for that anyhow. Not comparing lenders is also not a good option. Not doing proper shop around. You can always get help from a licensed and registered mortgage broker, but yeah, always be aware what other banks are also offering. You might be a customer of a big bank for last 10 years and you might have your credit debit all saving RRSP with them, but still it doesn't mean they will provide you the best available rate. Okay, so that's what, guys. And do not buy emotionally. Do not buy something that you cannot afford later. You are seeing what's happening in GTA and across Canada, not just GTA. If you buy something overpriced that you cannot afford, later on what's going to happen, you know the consequences. I don't have to describe that in this video, but you know that very well. So this is what I wanted to convey to you guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.